Hi, this is Molly Newman for Creating Keepsakes. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to transform an ordinary color snapshot into an artistically blurred black and white image. This takes just a few steps, and I'll demonstrate it step by step in Adobe Photoshop Elements version 9. Begin with your photo open, then right-click on the layer name in the Layers palette and select Duplicate Layer. I'll give this layer a new name. Working on the new layer, select Enhance, Convert to Black and White. You'll have a range of different styles here, each of which will give you a slightly different look. In this case, I'm using the portrait setting, and I'm going to increase the contrast slightly for a more exaggerated final effect. Click OK when you like the results. Next, we'll add a blurred effect to this photo. In the Layers palette, right-click the duplicated photo layer and duplicate that layer again. I'll call this one Photo Blur. Working on this new layer, select Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, and you can experiment with the settings here, zooming in and out and panning around in the photo to see the final result. Here I'm setting the angle to 0 and the pixel distance to 125. Press Enter or click OK when you're finished. Now, continuing to work on this layer, select the Eraser tool by selecting it either from the Tools menu or by pressing E. Set its size to 200 pixels and its opacity to 10%. Use gradual strokes to bring some facial features back into the photo. For a final artistic touch, we'll give this photo a gentle glowing effect. Working in the Layers palette, Control-click both the blurred photo and the unblurred photo layers. Right-click and select Merge Layers. Working on this new merged layer, select Filter, Distort, Diffuse Glow. Adjust the sliders for graininess, glow amount, and clear amount until you like the overall effect. You may need to zoom out so that you can see the entire photo, or zoom in so that you can see the effect on a more limited area. Here I'm reducing the glow amount slightly to get rid of the hot spots, the highlights on his cheeks. I'm going to take the graininess down just a little bit, and you can adjust the overall lightness or darkness of the image by adjusting the clear amount. Click OK when you're finished. Now right-click any of the layers in the Layers palette and select Flatten Image to finish your work. Save it with a new name, and you'll be ready to use this image in your project. Thanks for watching. I'm Molly Newman for Creating Keepsakes.